What's up, everybody? We just got here to Ocean Cove. Check it out.
The fishing is off a cliff, and the mussels.
It's pretty close.
It's still the tide is still low.
I think I got some.
They're going to go see right now.
Cool.
That's correct.
Hey, T, you brought the big fishing pole?
Hell yeah. Hey, it's the bait right here.
Oh, hell yeah. Check out the view. It's packed today. Memorial weekend. Woo-woo. You got on the grill, Teddy. Cheers up. Ocean Coast General Store. Across the street is the campground. All right, Vince, finna catch a fat one today.
Yo.
Catch and cook.
Yo.
Oi. She better than me, bro. I'm taking those.
I'm taking
That's why I'm recording that shit. The next time I catch one.
Oh, you caught that.
Look at 9.
Hey, I was, remember the video you guys went? Yeah.
Look at the rock fish that we caught. Oh my goodness. Actually filleted.
Filet only 3 pieces.
That's some good eating right there. What you got?
We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out.
Chef Ramsey.
Oh, yeah, now. Go get the fork.
Ooh, there's a hair.
Mmm. Man, getting ready, bro. Finna make that sauce, bro.
Yum.
No, stop it.
Yeah, Chucky, he's sleeping. That's Chucky. He called me anti-monster. I'm anti-monster. He had to sleep for 18 days, so we had to let him sleep.
Come on.
This one here. Go, Subang, let's look at it.
We got Chef Larry here. Ooh. Ooh. Got the tri-tip. Bad boy.
We got the first.
Hey, you guys better do the oysters now before you get started. You can't see it. Get it with your sauce.
Happy birthday, dear Maya. Happy birthday to you.
Very friendly. Do it again. You got candles? You know what I'm saying?
We got my cousin Cone right here. Vince. What? Oh, oh. We got T over there chilling.
That's my shit to go to sleep every day.
You guys see Mark Wayne's ways when he
Oh, Mark
Wayne's?
Yeah.
Yeah, he ate all the shit
I don't
over
really
there.
like to watch him because his face.
Yeah, his face.
Yeah, his face is
Same shit. I don't like the same thing.
Tired, nice. How you tired? I was the one that drive here.
Huh?
I was the one that drove here. And I woke you up.
Yeah, you're right.
Hello. Hi, baby.
Man, that feels good. Just feel like a little.